Right, now what we're going to do, we're going to watch the screen.
Watch.
Now, sodium's got one little bond, one little sticky out thing, and chlorine's got one sort of sticky in thing, so the sodium here can give this one electron to the chlorine, and there we are, makes it very happy. There we are, another sodium comes along, another chlorine, makes it very happy. Now, what would happen if instead of having sodium come along, we've got magnesium coming along? Now magnesium can give away 2 electrons, so it doesn't react with one chlorine, because one chlorine takes 1 electron, we've still got another one to give away. So we need another chlorine, and that's going to give us the formula MgCl2. But if we make a different set, here's oxygen. Oxygen wants 2 electrons, here comes sodium, it gives 1 electron, and look, it needs to have another sodium to give another electron. So oxygen's happy, and these are happy. And the formula is Na2O. And this is how you can work out all the different formulas of all the things. And then you get to something really hard where you get aluminium. Here's aluminium, and it reacts with oxygen. Here we go. Aluminium reacts with oxygen. Oh dear, look, it's got 1 over. Oh, that's alright, let's have another oxygen. Oh no, that hasn't worked on either. Look, because now we've got the oxygen still wants 1, so we need to bring in another aluminium. And, oh no, we still need more, so it needs 3. So, formula is aluminium 2 and oxygen 3, Al2O3.
Mm-hmm.